Welcome to our weekly new construction home tour with the Chosen Team Columbia. This week we are heading to a surrounding area of the Midlands, Newberry County, and the town of Prosperity to feature a community developed by Great Southern Homes. Prosperity, South Carolina in Newberry County is less than a 45 minutes drive from Columbia. This community is conveniently and perfectly situated between Columbia and the upstate as it's right off I-26 headed to Spartanburg. Here's the home we're going to tour, but before doing so, let's take a sneak peek and check out this community, Rolling Hills. Now, a couple of things I want to tell you is that 88 homes are planned for this community. And for those of you looking for some land, this is a nice opportunity because several of these lots are over half an acre. Let's begin our tour of the charming Wisteria II floor plan. As we enter this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, we step into the foyer, and to our immediate left is a formal dining room with lots of natural lighting. It's large enough for a buffet and has built-in shelving. Now let me mention a few important details of this home that I absolutely adore. It's a 1-story split open floor plan that's a little under 1,800 square feet and has plenty of storage. We're heading to the kitchen, but first let me show you the laundry area. You are able to see the washer and dryer as well as the shelving above each to help keep the laundry room organized, which we know can be a bit taxing at times. Now we're stepping back into the kitchen. There's a peninsula. This kitchen is spacious with a nice number of cabinets and drawers for storage areas. Here's a quick view of one side of the kitchen with the wall, oven, microwave combo, and the natural lighting helps it feel even more spacious. I want you to see this oversized pantry because most of us require that extra storage. This is a huge plus. Here's another view of more cabinetry and the island, which is an option. Granite countertops, Moen faucets, and stainless steel appliances are standard. As we make our way to the owner's suite, let's slow down just a bit so you can see the open family room, which has vaulted ceilings, built-in shelving, and a fireplace. We'll come back in a little while for another view. Now, the owner's suite also features vaulted ceilings, fulfilling its intended purpose for this area of the home, a tranquil, cozy, yet spacious place to relax and unwind after a long day. This is an ensuite, and as we enter the bathroom, there is a dual vanity with quartz countertops, a separate shower, a garden tub with a nice transom window, and you'll see the water closet there. So I'm going to take you to the closet because I know some of you are waiting to see, and as you can observe, there is plenty of space here as well. So I want to go now to my favorite area of this home, and that's the covered patio, which is included. And as an option, the model has a screened porch, which is a nice added feature, extending the living space, which is good for entertaining throughout all seasons. This home also features 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. If you're looking to begin your home ownership journey or downsize, the Wisteria II by Great Southern Homes is a great option. Give me a call and let's talk about how to get started.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are the Chosen Team. Give us a call today at one of the numbers listed below.